Hi everyone, Jason with Canyon Adventure Vans here, and we have something new I'd like to share with you today. We have our new passenger table system for the 2021 and 2022 Winnebago Revel 4x4s passenger area. As you know, they all come stock with that big old oval tabletop that's really takes up a whole lot of room. It's tough to slide in and out, and then you have a fixed pedestal as well. Well, with our new product, our new line, we have an adjustable pole there that you can lower and raise this up. And we also have our new folding table that has an extra support here. So now, when you're sitting here, you have a large table, but it's also easy to put away and slide back in as well. So if you even have a passenger sitting back here and they don't want the full table and they just want something for their cups or for their phone or iPad or something like that, this works great as well. Again, to lower it, all you'd have to do is pull out this little tab and you can lower it to raise it back up. Well, to raise it back up, you just adjust this pole here, and then your table, you're using the same bracket. So when we ship you this, we're going to ship you this folding bamboo table. We're going to ship you you can use your existing table pole if you want, or you can buy our new adjustable one. Either way, you're going to take off your table bracket, and then you're going to screw it on here. And that's it. Super easy. This just slides right on, locks into place, pull this out, and you have a large table. When you want some room, and you just want to hang out, kick back, and not have a table in your way, this is nice. You can still put your drinks up there. Again, fully adjustable, or you just bring it up as high as you want as well. So that's it. That's our new bamboo folding table. It is called the Jenna. Go figure, Jenna designed this. So we're calling this bamboo table the Jenna. And then this is our new adjustable table bracket here. This is all for the new 2021 and 2022 Winnebago Revels. Talk to you soon.